Well, hey y'all, we got quite the to-do list today. We're actually in Wichita Falls because we have a little bit of business to take care of, but for the most part we're here for fun. Today we're actually coming over here to just spend time with family, and then also they're having like this kite festival, and like for the first 100 people, I think, they get a free kite if you show up early. So we got up early, well, we attempted to get up early. And we're over here so they're gonna have like kites and all types of stuff. I'm not sure, I think it's for everybody, but it's especially cool for like the homeschool kids and stuff like that. So we're over here at the park doing that, and then here in a little bit we have a few things that we need to take care of, but really we're just here to have fun and spend time with family.
My pants are falling down, so I need to gain weight.
He needs a leash, Mom.
I don't even know what to find, guys.
Ash, quit.
There you go.
Yeah! I did it! Yes! Go! Go higher. Go, go, go. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Did you get your haircut, bud? Yeah. I'm exhausted, so I'm really trying not to be dramatic, but I'm hungry. I don't even know why we're so hungry. I think it's because last night we went to the baseball field because Avon had practice, and of course I was out there trying to act like I was young, sweating, picking up balls and throwing them and stuff, and I don't know, but I'm starving. I'm starving. Anyways, we stopped by Best Buy to pick up our fridge. We had to get a new fridge. The one we had was already in the house, and on the side of it, on the seal, it wasn't shutting all the way, and so some of our milk and stuff was like starting to get warm. And if you don't like hold it, like shut it, make sure it's shut, then literally it'll be open a little bit. And so we were just like, you know what, best case scenario, we should just probably just buy a new one instead of trying to make it work, and that thing ended up going out anyways. So that's what we're doing. What? That's what I meant earlier about business that we had to take care of. We had to pick up the fridge because it was going to be ready at the same time that we were going to be over here anyways. So we figured we'd kill 2 birds, 1 stone, have a little fun, see some family, which we're about to go do right now. We're going to go hang out with some family and just enjoy family time and... Huh? Oh, yep. And Enoch got a haircut. So we had to take care of that stuff.
Look, you're getting the end result, which made it look easy. Come try right now. What?
I can't even do a pull-up.
That's because you got underneath it.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's what you gotta do.
Who can do a pull-up?
I didn't go underneath it, so you're fighting this because you're trying to fall, right? So you're wanting to do this.
Good balance, I don't think.
Oh my god!
What?
I'm for real.
No
You have an arch.
way.
I don't.
That gives me super balance. Don't relieve it.
Are you the evil troll? Do we have to pay a toll?
Sure do. Yours is a kiss. None of y'all can pass. The kid with the puppy can pass. I like
No,
puppies.
that's that book, the big blue drop or whatever. I'm gonna go get a turtle.
What?
Oh,
You feeling young?
There's ducks. Duck, duck, goose. Duck, duck, goose. Hi. Hi. These ones look kind of friendly. Hi. You sure are pretty. I want to pet you.
Yeah.
Made it open.
Yeah.
Looks good, disgusting.
so don't drop in the water.
Oh gosh.
Hey, come here.
Not dogs. There's a turtle. Look at.
It's a turtle. Enoch. 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 Enoch Gabriel. There's a turtle. Bro, Enoch, for real, come here. Can I pick it up?
Look, 2 shoes. I'm gonna feed them.
Feed him that ball.
Oh, he's coming for it.
Tonight.
Making a trip tonight.
A little weekly little.
To do very legal things. We would never illegally do
We
anything.
never illegally use city dumpsters anywhere.
Even though they're city dumpsters for the city.
Alright, y'all get aggressive and rip that off if you want. Get aggressive. Get aggressive.
Be
Show me you want it.
aggressive. Be aggressive.
Show me you want it.
Yes.
Crashing's fun.
Yeah, we should let Teddy do this. Teddy needs to let some energy out.
Yeah.
That was a very aesthetic reveal.
That's
Chucky, that was unnecessary.
It was very necessary.
Super Mario.
Hey, grab the top.
Pull it.
Oh, pull. Oh, so this way.
I know, but then that's completely different.
great. I think I have to cut it down the middle.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, the fridge feels so good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. It's getting weird.
I can feel the static electricity.
Some more is pulling.
Sorry, guys.
Oh,
The box
this
is
is
big.
the best fridge ever.
Wait, I'm confused which pull. It's just gonna push the fridge back. Straight forward.
Will y'all just follow the instructions you're given, please?
I'm pulling.
cutting it in half.
What's the weekend punch? Whoa! You saw that? Mama, watch this. Oh, that was cool.
Look, free punching. Free relief of anger.
Pull it.
Yeah, no, look out.
Measure and tape, son.
Where'd
You go this way.
Where's the front?
It feels so good.
Oh my goodness. Where's the front?
Stop worrying about it. I ain't gonna be allowed in it.
Yes, we are.
No, it's got bolts on it. We leave them on.
It's my fridge. I'm putting y'all's in the garage. Y'all want something? Y'all walk to the garage and get out of the black fridge.
No. That ain't fair.
I'm gonna keep all my beer in there. Just a stack it full of beer.
A root beer.
That's not what the peanuts, broski.
Straight cream sodas,
Cream sodas.
caffeine-free Coca-Cola.
Hey, for real, that's what we should keep it for.
Like, you want to go to my man cave?
Push it over. Push the top.
The top. I believe in y'all.
Yeah, okay, get your hand on the rest.
Oh, the bottom's coming out.
Push the top.
I'm trying.
Y'all shouldn't have took that long.
We can't. The stain is messing our grip.
I got my hand under there. No.
Hold on. Son, go with the drill.
Drilly drill.
It's in a box somewhere. Hinges off the wall. Yeah, hold it up. Two, three.
You got it?
Oh gosh. Do you need help?
Should we not push so hard?
I'm not pushing anyone. I think he knows what he's doing.
I'm scared.
He for sure does.
What's it hitting? What's it hitting?
What? I can't see.
It's just the styrofoam. You're not getting anything. Apparently our doorways are too small, so we took the whole front part of the fridge apart. We're gonna see if it's gonna work.
He's playing with it.
Okay, here, let me get it off of.
360?
Oh my gosh, he won't go. Oh, ready?
I juked him out a lot. You can ask Chunky, bro. I juked him out so hard he walked away.
Ash. He laid down. Here, find it over there.
Daddy.
Yes, sir.
I don't think that is. Oh, I don't think it's the hay bale rat. I'm trying, you know it's gonna fall. Don't worry about it. Oh yeah? Gonna fall off? He's running.
Is it good? Is it good?
Oh no, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, stop.
What? The ground's higher here, son.
I I assure y'all, no children were harmed.
Y'all need to watch some British shows and learn some elegance.
Yeah.
You trashy homesteaders showing up there.
Husband told me a while ago that I look like I'm in my crackhead era. That
You can't put that on YouTube.
I also look like I may be going to make bread and simultaneously could be stealing car parts. Me and this one and the other one, she's back there helping. We are about to actually go to a like ladies' night at our church.
I knew it was a lady night.
It is a ladies' night.
So we have to go get
We have to go get changed and actually look presentable, like we aren't about to break in, enter into someone's home. I got a little surprise at the ladies' night. So every ladies' night that we have, they always have a theme for the little thing. And so the one that I got to speak at, I don't know if you know that, but I had actually made a recording of me just sitting down and doing the video, and I will link it up somewhere, you know, in the cards or whatever. But I actually got to speak that little thing at one of the ladies' nights in February. But this night, they just had like a fellowship night and whatnot, and we got to eat and hang out and play a little game. Well, it was called Pass the Teacup. And basically, she was reading off a little thing, and let's say, you know, one of the things was like, whoever has the biggest shoe size, then they got the cup. And, you know, but we were passing it around at our table. Anyhow, I thought it was super cute, the little idea. And the last thing that it landed on was whoever has the curliest hair at your table. And so, I got to win the cup. Has some tea. Precious. I've never actually had tea. Like, this makes me feel elegant. I'm just saying. I'm definitely gonna have me a little cup of tea tomorrow morning. This is so stinking cute. I've never had like teacups. I've had coffee cups, done all that jazz. Never had a teacup. So I feel fancy. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I will catch y'all in the next one. God bless y'all, and go and be a light out there.